everyone, today I'm going to cook Sotong Balado, which is an Indonesian dish. Okay, I put in ginger, chili, onion, galanga, rice, brown a bit Saute it until it becomes light brown. And put in the tomatoes, you can see the color is changed, almost light brown, and the tomatoes are already salted. And we just add in about 3 pieces of lime leaves. Okay. And I'm going to add in the paste. Add in little salt. Salt you can always add in little first and later part you can taste accordingly to your taste. Okay, and let this chili paste cook well. Okay, and I'm going to add in some water. Okay, let's wait for the chili paste to cook well. Okay, now I'm going to open the lid, and you can see the chili is like almost cooked already, and I'm going to throw in the sotong. Okay, give it a stir. Add in a little bit of turmeric. And of course the curry leaf. Okay, after giving it a good stir, just going to close it for a while and put it on slow fire. Okay, now I'm going to open the lid. Okay, the Sotong Balado is ready. I'm going to pour lime juice. Okay, and I'm going to add coriander leaves. Okay, now the Sotong Balado is ready, and we'll just put on big fire 2 or 3 times. Turn off the stove. Okay, this is the Sotong Balado. Thank you for watching, and please cook in your own home and enjoy this food. And even the chili, you can add it according to your spiciness. And thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and have a nice day. Thank you very much.